Hey you guys, and thanks for tuning into a new video. Today I'll be sharing with you guys some happy mail that I received from Goldmine Coco. If you would like to purchase any of these items, please be sure to check out the link in the description box, as well as use my 10% off code at checkout, and that will be Plants by Jazz. So the first item I have here is this calendar, and this is a desk calendar. It's super cute. It comes with a little easel as well as cards for each month. I'm thinking of, even though they're like a really nice thick cardstock, super sturdy, nice quality, I am thinking of laminating these. I do have some laminate pockets that I actually got a while ago at Hobby Lobby, and I think that these would fit in it perfectly and I won't have to do too much trimming. But these are super, super gorgeous. I am thinking of spray painting the easel like a rose goldy type of color, or like a silver, so that it'll match my desk. The next item I have here are these paintings, and these are some luxurious paintings. When I say she is luxurious, Peyton has on her Fendi, her Louis Vuitton, her Chanel, her Gucci, her Dior. Baby, I loved it. I think they're called, yes, Dressed Up P. Baby. Oh, you know what? It's called Dressed to the... Oh, that's so cute. Look at me just now realizing that. But yeah, so it came with those. And then because this was the my December order, you do get a kit for December as well as a kit for January, you know, just some Christmas holiday stickers. So that was a nice little pack of stickers. Moving along, I also got this sticker book. Now, if you do not know, Goldmine Coco has sticker books, and when I tell you that the quality just keeps getting better and better, I'm so impressed. This particular sticker book that I'll be flipping through, it's all decor stickers. She does have functional. She has black and white. She has, you know, ones with a lot of one-page kits in it. She has a variety of sticker books that she's coming out with, and I absolutely love them. They have been my go-to in terms of my weekly planning. As you can see, this book right here is very versatile. It has a lot of painting. It has the full box stickers, quarter boxes, half boxes, trunk pieces, which are the clothing pieces that look beautiful in your spreads. She even features some clear dolls, which is a first, and I'm excited to use those. They normally come in the subscription box. There's been some clear doll stickers, and I've been loving them. So I'm glad that she is featuring more clear stickers, because I love clear stickers personally. But like I said, the sticker books are amazing. They are retail for $30, and to me, it's really, really nice quality. You get a bang for your buck. I believe this particular sticker book has over 600 stickers in it, and amazing. Now, I will say this, the sticker books are the only thing that you cannot use my discount code on. You can use the 10% off on anything else, but if you're only going to buy a sticker book, unfortunately, no discount codes on sticker books. The next item I picked up was a goals journal, and this is my first time purchasing one of these. Essentially what it is a place for goal setting, writing out your vision and different things like that. I thought it was going to be A5 size, but it is a slightly larger. So at the very front, you have your 2021 goals, and as well as mind mapping. So these are things that you're going to do to get you in the right mindset. I love this quote that she has written here, as well as on the next page is a full sheet of affirmations. And I plan on filling these out because January is right around the corner, you guys. So there is a monthly setup, and it looks like this every single month. What I love most about this goals journal is it's on dot grid. Who doesn't love dot grid? I'm obsessed with dot grid. But what I love most about it, besides the dot grid, is that it's separated where you have your personal goals under me, you have your work goals, and then you have create. So, for example, if you have a side hobby, a side hustle, YouTuber, blogger, whatever the case may be, you can put those things that is not your day job, but they are things that you want to create and for yourself. For example, if you're do stickers, say I'm gonna create 20 stickers this month, and then on the next page you have your reflections. So I'm very excited to be working through this, and I will have this goals journal featured more on my page, my YouTube channel, sorry, not my page. Now, the final item is this beautiful 2021 wall calendar. And when I tell you that this calendar is gorgeous, honey, it's gorgeous. It was so nice that I waited to watch, to open up everything else on camera. But this little calendar right here, as soon as I seen it, I had to open it. I had to flip through because I was just mesmerized. The quality of the paper is really, really nice. And the quotes and the graphics inside are gorgeous. They're to die for. And I'm sad to say, unfortunately, there are no extras of this. I didn't see them posted anywhere on the site. Now, that could change as we go into the new year. But as of now, this is going to be the only thing that's currently not available, and I didn't see posted on the site anywhere. So I'm sorry. Now, if we weren't working from home, I would take this and put that in my cubicle at work. But unfortunately, we can't do that. We working from home. So what my plan is because I don't have any place designated, my home office sits above a window, and it's just not conducive for having anything hanging on the wall like that. And so my plan would be for me is I'm going to actually cut these all out, and I plan on framing all of them because the quotes are so nice, so inspirational. They are amazing to look at, and I think they would be nice to have a wall of visions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If so, please be sure to leave me a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. As always, I'll have more to come. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.